Hey everybody, it's the Big Tone here at Trixton Shores, and GM here, and I'm going to teach you how to fire up your propane water tank, your hot water tank. So first thing you need to do is go to your propane canister and make sure that we turn it on. So we're going to turn from off to on. That's going to let the propane go through the line and head to the back of this trailer, specifically the hot water tank's in the back, and we're going to fire it up. Some trailers have electronic ignition. This one is a handy-dandy lighter made by Bic. Or should I say that? It is. This one here you just open up. There's a couple of things in here that we need to look at. This dial here is your temperature gauge. So what you want to do is make sure when you have this all up and running that you're setting it to a temperature that's good for your family. This one I hear, just for mine, I just put a little bit past warm. I don't want it too hot for the kids and end up burning themselves. So before we do anything here, what you want to do is make sure you go into your trailer and turn the water on, your hot water tap, and get the water loaded into the hot water tank. You never ever want to fill your hot water tank without water in it, because what you'll do is you're going to burn the elements out. You need to put in a hot water tank, and these things are pretty expensive. So this one does not have electronic ignition. Some do, where you just push a button and it automatically up here and it automatically fires itself up when it's needed. But for this one, we're going to light it manually with the lighter. So this one I've set to pilot up here on the top, and this little red button's the safety, and it's going to allow the fuel to come now into the lines and come over to the sensor and the burn node that's here. So what I'm going to do is light my lighter. And we've got the flame now is burning, which you won't be able to see because propane burns really clear. It's very hard to see, very difficult. But you notice I'm still holding the red knob, the red button down. What there is there's a safety in here. I have to hold it on for so many seconds until I can see the flame here. I can just barely see it. Is burning nice and strong. And the flame is starting to burn nice and strong. I don't know if you can see inside right here. Maybe I put the black in behind it. Yeah, it's very faint. It's just a small flame that's going to ignite the whole system. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn the propane on to start heating the water tank to the desired temperature, which this one here is just above warm. Some have the actual degree of temperature that you want to set it to. This one's a little more basic, so I'm just going past the warm. So from there, I'm going to take my controller here, and I'm just going to turn it to the on position. What that's going to do now is it's going to load the system with propane, and now that pilot light that was on the node there is now fired up the chamber, and now that flame is going to run for as long as it needs to get the tank and the water heated up to the temperature that I've required on the temperature dial. So once this, it'll burn for a while and gets the water up to temperature, you can leave it on for your stay as long as you'd like, and that will come on and off just like your hot water tank at home. Here I'm going to show you how we're going to shut it off. So let's say we've been here and we're leaving, we're done our vacation, we've had a great time here at Trixton Shores, so we're going to turn the propane gas off. So we're going to come back to our controller here, which is on the on. I'm going to turn it back to pilot, and then I'm going to turn it one more time to the off position. And that will shut the system down. There will be no more propane flowing, and that actually shuts the pilot light off on the nodule here as well. So it's good and safe, and it's shut down, and you're ready to travel.